In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the x.com or Twitter exceeded number of allowed verification attempts by phone error. This issue can be frustrating because it usually blocks you from moving forward with phone verification, logging in, or confirming your account. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it with a few simple steps without needing any advanced tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is wait for the 24-hour cooldown. This error is often triggered when X detects too many verification attempts in a short period of time, so the system temporarily blocks new attempts. If that happens, the best move is to stop trying again and again, because repeated attempts can sometimes reset the timer or make the issue feel worse. Instead, give it a full 24 hours before trying again. During that time, avoid submitting the phone verification code over and over. Once the cooldown period has passed, try the verification again and see if the error clears. If you're still seeing the same message, the next step is to turn off your VPN. X sometimes flags phone verification attempts when your connection appears to be coming from a private network, a changing IP address, or a location that doesn't match your normal activity. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely and refresh the page. Then try the phone verification process again using your regular internet connection. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem, because the platform can better recognize your device and network. If the error still continues, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with the verification page and cause repeated errors, especially if the site stored a bad session or failed login attempt. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and choose the option to clear cookies and cached files. Make sure you remove the stored data for x.com or Twitter if possible, then close and reopen your browser. After that, sign back in and try the verification again from a clean session. If you're on the mobile app, you can also clear the app cache from your device settings or reinstall the app if needed. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are simple. Wait for the 24-hour cooldown, turn off your VPN, and clear cookies and cache. In most cases, following those steps in order will resolve the exceeded number of allowed verification attempts by phone error. If the problem is still there after that, it may be worth trying again from a different browser or device later, but for most users, these 3 fixes are the best place to start. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.